Woohoo! It is time to celebrate beach day number 100 of my Sweden Beach Adventures 2024. And lucky me, it is a Sunday, beautiful sunny Sunday with 22 degrees Celsius in the air and 18 degrees Celsius in the Baltic Sea. And this location is really amazing. I am right now at Oxnö. That's part of Golo Nature Reserve. And you can see Oxnö Klippbad over there with lots of people. So I just chose to explore further along the nature over here. And I found myself a beautiful, nice spot only for myself. You can see there is nobody here compared to Oxnö Klippbad, which is actually has the same structure like this where I am right now, because I wanted to celebrate my 100th beach day in Sweden this year appropriately. So I'm gonna be chilling here all day long, as I really love rocky beaches, wild beaches in the nature like this one. It's absolutely magnificent. I'm so happy, and this means that now I am halfway through my goal to reach, because last year I made a record of number of beach days and swims in the open waters in Sweden. It was 200 beach days, and last year I made 100 on 2nd of August, which means I am already now at looking at the 11-day margin that I have, if the weather is going to be also nice in November like it was last year, for sure. But yeah, this is Oxnö Klippbad. Well, it's only 200 meters from Oxnö Klippbad, but it's part of the same area, and you can search here along the coast and find your own inner peace, just like I did, if you don't want to be amongst people. So yes, let's then explore and take a swim in the beautiful Baltic Sea on this celebratory 100th beach day. Cool. Yes, it is 21st of July, I didn't mention, and it is now almost 2 p.m. And it actually took me quite a while to get here. You need to take first the pendeltåg from Stockholm city to Haninge, and from Haninge there are very few buses that go actually to Oxnö, and they are every 2 hours or so. And the bus ride from Haninge, it's around 35 minutes, plus to add the train ride as well. So it takes around 1.5 hours to reach this spot from central Stockholm. But it is definitely worth it. And I really love rocky, wild beaches like this one. So I'm gonna be definitely enjoying a lot today on my beach adventures here at Oxnö. So let's then get going and explore the beautiful sea together. Right, we have some seaweed here at the beginning attached to the rocks, but it is quite easy to go in for a dive here. It's not so complicated. Yes, amazing. All right, then it's time for a swim on this beach day number 100 on my Sweden beach adventures at Oxnö. So let's then go. Oh my god, it is fantastic. The sea is amazing, because here we are on the open sea and it is salty. And yes, Oxnö is part of Haninge municipality, and Not so far away from here in that direction, there is even a military base that's obviously unreachable by people, but this is probably one of the closest public beaches that are open for public before the military base begins. So yeah, that's the military base in Golo. So Golo is the whole nature reserve, but this part where I am right now, it's actually Oxnö. I visited actually Golo last week on a cloudy day. It's also a very beautiful place. I really love the beaches there in Haninge, and I will explore a few more later this summer. So yes, summer in full swing. I'm celebrating beach the number 100, and before I wrap up, let me give you another round tour of this beautiful, beautiful nature, untouched nature here in Oxnö, Haninge, out on the Baltic Sea. And let me give you also an underwater tour as well to see what I see below. Amazing. What a beautiful day. I'm so happy. Cool, I'm gonna be chilling today on the beach, this beautiful rocky beach in Oxnö. And yeah, thank you so much for following my beach adventures, and I'm really looking forward to show you some more beautiful beaches in Sweden on my channel. So thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.